Beloved Huzoor, certain scientists and doctors say that homeopathic and herbal medicine merely acts as a placebo and does not have an impact on curing illness. As Ahmadis, how should we respond? And what sources are there to learn more on the effects of homeopathic medicine on the body?
This is the propaganda of modern day doctors or researchers who give more emphasis on allopathic medicine, that homeopathic just leaves a psychological effect. It has nothing to do with the treatment. In olden days, these native and herbal medicine were being used for curing the patients, and there were quite good and promising results of those treatments. Even in homeopathic, I have seen on myself, I'm just indifferent with regards to the medicine. I did not believe that it has a miraculous effect on me, or it can leave any miraculous effect on me. I just take it as a medicine, and my ailment is cured. It is wrong to say that there is no research. There are quite a number of doctors and researchers in homeopathic in France and Germany who are doing research on it. And even in India, they are introducing new medicines. So we don't know which of the medicine is good for us. If you believe that the healer is Allah Ta'ala, then Allah Ta'ala can heal with any of the medicine. And we don't know which of them is good. Once Hazrat Khalifatul Masih Sani was taking some medicine, and he took some homeopathic medicine, then native herbal medicine, and then took some allopathic medicine for his ailment, whatever it was. So somebody was sitting beside him. He asked him, Huzoor, you have taken 3 medicine. How do you know which will affect? He said, I don't trust in any one of them. I only trust Allah Ta'ala, and I know He is the healer. And I only know that I don't know. I am not the person who has the knowledge of the unforeseen. Allah Ta'ala knows better. And I don't know which of the medicine can work on me. So this is why I have taken all. So if Allah Ta'ala has given the quality of healing in homeopathic, then it will work. If it has given to allopathic, then it will work. If Allah Ta'ala has given the quality of healing in native medicine, then it will work. It is not a matter of our faith that homeopathic is the only medicine which works. But the matter of the faith is that we should believe in Allah Ta'ala, and we should believe that He is the healer. Right? Even there are quite a number of patients, those who are getting medical treatment from the doctors in the hospitals, and they write to me that if there is any homeopathic medicine, and with the consultation of our doctors, I then do send them medicine, and sometime it works. Sometime doctors say that according to our treatment, this ailment should have taken a longer period, but it has been cured within short time, and that is a miracle. So we don't know whether the allopathic medicine worked with the prayers, and that miracle happened because of it, or the homeopathic medicine. So keep in mind that we do not believe in any of the medicine. We have a firm belief in that Allah is the healer, Shafi. This is why I always ask MD doctors, whenever they are writing any prescription for their patients, they should write Huwa Shafi, that Allah is the healer, not they or not their medicine. And then pray to Allah Ta'ala that Allah Ta'ala make this medicine for the patient as a cure. Okay?